trillions of dollars in debt, but they take our money every day? Anyway, another topic. So whenever we enroll a member, we get paid anywhere from $80 to $416. So that is one of the ways we get paid. Then leverage income. We can become brokers to where we can build teams and then make a percentage of the whole team's commissions, the whole team's sales, which is a very powerful way to build the business. Then the residual, which is by far my favorite way we get paid. Meaning you do something one time and you get paid over and over and over and over and over for the lifetime of that customer. That is a very, very powerful way to get paid. Have everybody ever written a movie or a song in here?
Yeah.
Do you get paid from it?
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
Beautiful. All right. And I didn't mean beautiful that you didn't get paid from it. So when you partner up with us, everybody comes into the business, you're an associate, right? So did everybody in here have a first day? Yes. So every single person, when you first partner up, you become an associate. Now this is brilliant. Sean, do you mind standing up real quick? Stand up. Perfect. So when Sean introduces one business partner and sells 3 memberships, so would you stand up here as business partner? Awesome. So he's sold 3 memberships and he's got 1 business partner. Now he's a senior associate. Amazing job.